Hello there. In this video, I will give you a walkthrough of session host controls during the live sessions. Let's get started. Once you are inside the event, click on Go Backstage button to go to Backstage. And from here, click on Start Session button, which will give you 10 seconds timer to start your session. And this session is live. Once the session is live in the social webinar format, the session host will not be able to leave the live session to go to other parts of the event. Here you can see the event name. You can also click on view schedule to view other sessions. You can see that the session is live and how long the session has been live for, name of the session, and how many people are there inside the session. Now, if you come down here, you will see the speaker chat, the chat section where the speakers, session hosts, and people who are on the stage can privately chat with each other without including the attendees. You can also click on the Show on Stage or Hide from Stage button to hide yourself or the other speakers who are not active on the sessions from this stage. Let us hide the speaker who is not speaking on the stage by clicking on Hide from Stage, and the speaker is hidden. Now, if we want to show them again on the stage, then we'll simply click on Show on Stage and the speaker will be shown again on the stage. You can also quickly hide the speaker by clicking on this eye icon. You can also enable your video and audio to chat with others on the stage. You can also share your screen by clicking on the share screen button. You can either share the screen or the PDF file. Now you can also click on this three dot icon and click on manage host to manage the co-host on the stage, that is adding or removing co-host. You can also click on update stage backdrop and update the stage backdrop anytime you want during the live session. You can also remove the backdrop if you do not like them. And lastly, click on the audio video settings. And from here, you can set up or test your camera, microphone, or speaker. If you come to the camera part, you will also be able to set up your virtual background. You can also upload your virtual background, add a blur, etc. Once done, you can go ahead and save it. While on the live session, you will also have an option for reactions. You can simply click on here and give your reactions accordingly. You can also use this grid view or active speaker view to highlight the speaker on the stage. Depending on the bandwidth of your internet, you can also set up the stream resolution of this session by clicking on here and selecting the different type of definition. If you are facing any problems, then you can simply click on here and click on Start Test to test the system to find any errors. If necessary, you can also mute or turn off the video of the speaker on the stage. And you can also highlight the speaker if they are speaking by clicking on this pin icon. And again, click on this unpin icon to unpin the speaker. Now, if you want to have a small break in between your session, then you can simply click on this pause session to pause your session for a small duration of time. Or once done, you can click on this end session button to end this session. If you want to go full screen, then you can do so by clicking on this full screen icon. Now coming on to the RHS section, you have many controls such as moderation, where you moderate the reported chats, the people section, where you can see all the people inside your session, the messages section, where you will find the direct or private messages sent out to you by the event participants. You can also click on alerts and create a notifications or announcements if you have any. You can also click on settings, and from there you can do many activities such as customize event. You can customize the event as per your requirement. You can also update your profile. You can also set up your audio and video settings from here as well. If you happen to close your event dashboard, that is this page, then you can simply click on dashboard and go to that page very easily. You can also change the text language of this session, and it will be changed to the language of your choice, but the language change will only be shown to you and not to anyone else. And lastly, if you want to log out, then you can simply click on log out to log out of the session. Now coming on to the bottom RHS controls, that is manage. First is raise hand. All the raise hand requests sent out by the event participants will be shown out here. The session host can approve and bring them on the stage. Now you can also find your pre-recorded videos out here. You can simply click on it and play the pre-recorded video on the stage. Once done, you can click on this eye icon to remove the video from the stage. You can also integrate various activities inside your session by clicking on activities, and you can integrate DonorWorks, Kahoot, various Typeforms or iframe plugins. Now coming on to this chat section, this is a public chat section where all the event participants can chat with each other. Coming on to the Q&A section, all the questions sent out during the session will be shown out here. You can upvote the questions, show them on the stage, or comment on that question. Now coming on to polls, you can create polls by clicking on this create a poll button. And once you have created the polls, you can also show them on the stage, close the poll once the votings are done, or delete delete the poll. Now, as a session host, you can also set up the breakout rooms for your event participants by coming on here and clicking on create new breakout. Or if you want to simply hide this RHS section, then you can simply click on this hide panel and it will drop down in the bottom. Or if you want to re-show it again, then you can simply click on it and it will come up there. And now once you are done with your session, simply click on end session to end your session. After the session has ended, you can chat with other speakers on this backstage privately without including the attendees, or you can simply click on this arrow icon to go to the social lounge area and network with others. Hope you found this live session host controls overview helpful, and thank you for watching.